Welcome students. So myself Mahbub Pasha, and today we will continue with the topic that is playing with numbers. In previous classes we have solved the questions of exercise 1.1. We have solved 1 to 5 problems. Okay. So and today in this session let us solve the remaining problems. Okay. So here's the sixth one. So here's the sixth problem. So here what is given? AB into 5. When we multiply AB with 5, so what we are getting? CAB. Okay, so when we multiply AB with 5, we are getting CAB. Okay, now see here. What is given here? We know the digit at ones place is B. The digit at ones place is what? B. So here you need to take the value of B such that when you multiply B with 5, when you multiply B with 5, what you have to get? You have to get again B only. Okay, so when you multiply B with 5, what you have to get? You have to get B only. And here, look at here, when you multiply A with 5, when you multiply A with 5, what you have to get? You have to get A only. Okay, so here there are three unknowns, that is A, B, C. So you need to find the value of A, B, C. So let us assume B as 0. Okay, so as I told you, we move from lower value to higher value. Okay, so let us take B as 0. Suppose B as 0, and let us take A as 1. Okay, so before that we have taken B as 0 now, so let us try. Okay, 0 5s are 0. Okay, 0 5s are 0. Next, here. Okay, so see here, we have got, when you multiply 0 with 5, so we have got 0. Okay, so we can take the value of B as 0. So now what we need to take the value of A? What we need to take? Just think. Okay, so here we cannot take the value of A as 0. Why? Because the first digit should not be 0. So let us try by taking some different values. So let us assume A as 1. Okay, if we assume A as 1. So here, remember, when we multiply A with 5, we have to get A only. Okay, when we multiply A with the 5, we have to get A only. Look at here, 1, 0 into 5. Okay, when we assume A as 1, so B as 0, it will become 10. So 10 5 are 10 5 are what? 50. So now look at here, we have assumed B as 0, and when we multiply B with 5, that is 0 with 5, we have got B, that is 0. So but when we have assumed A as 1, and when we multiply A, that is 1 with 5, what we have got? 5. But what we should get? We should get A, that is we should get 1 only. If we assume A as 1, then we should get here 1. If we assume A as 2, then we should get here 2. So this is wrong. Okay, so if we assume A as 1, this from if we assume this the A as 1, so when we multiply 1 into 5, we will get 5 here, we will not get 1. Okay, we are not getting here A. So let us take if A as 2. Okay, so let us take A as 2. So here 2 0, you assume A as 2 and B as 0 into 5. Okay, so now 25s are 100. No, 25s are what? 100. Now look at here, we assume B as 0, so when we multiply B with 5, we are getting B only at one space, that is 0 only. And we have assumed here, what we have assumed here? A as 2. So when we multiply A with 5, we are not getting here A. We are not getting here A. So what we are getting? We are getting 0. Then what we have to get? We have to get here A only. Okay, so this is also wrong. So let us assume A as 5. Okay, if A equal to 5. So if A equal to 5, so here 50 into 5. So 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. Okay. So when you multiply b with 5, we are getting b only. Look at here, b there. So when you multiply b with 5, here we have assumed b as 0. Okay. So b as 0 we have assumed. So when we multiply b with 5, we are getting b. And now what we have assumed a. So we have assumed a as 5. So 5 5s are 25. So 5 5s are 25. Okay. Look at here. This satisfies. Okay. This satisfies. So here when you multiply b with 5, we are getting b. So when we multiply a with 5, so we are getting a. Okay. So this holds good. Okay. When we take the value of a as 5 and b as 0, it is correct. Then what is the value of a and b, a, b, c for them? And look at here. What is the value of c here? Look at here. C is the first digit. So here this is the answer. So in place of c, what is there? 2, no? So in place of c, 2 is there. So here the value of c is 2, the value of a is 5, and the value of c is b is what? 0. Okay. So here the value of a is 5, the value of b is 0, and the value of c is 2. Okay. Now let us solve 7th one. Okay, so here AB into 6 is what? B. So one thing you note that when you multiply B with 6, we need to get B. Okay, so remember one thing. Here we cannot take A as 0. Why? Because A is the first digit here, and as well as we cannot take B also 0 because here B is the first digit. So now let us try. Okay, so one thing you should note that when we multiply B with 6, we should get B only. If we assume B as 1, okay, if we assume B as 1, then 1 into 6 is what? 6, no? 1 into 6 is what? 6. But what we want? 1 only. If we assume B as 1. So we cannot assume B as 1. Okay. So now, let us assume B as 2. Let us assume B as 2. So when you multiply 2 with 6, so you are getting here 12. Okay. So now, okay, we can think about it. Why? Because when we take b as 2, so when we multiply b with 6, so we are getting 12 here. So the one's digit is what? 2. Okay. So now let us take a as 4 something. Okay. So let us take a as 4. Let us take a as 4. Let us take a as 4. So now 4 into 2. Okay. So 4 into 2 to 6. 6 2s are 12. 1 carry. 6 2s are 12. 1 carry. 6 4s are 24. Plus 1, 25. So here what you have taken? 2 6 are 12. 2 1 carry. 6 4s are 24. Plus 1 25. Look at here. When we taken A as 4 and B as 2, so what we have got? So we have got 2 at 1's place and 2 at 2 at 1's place and 2 at 100's place. That is, first digit is 2 and last digit is 2. So what about the middle digit? So this is not true. Okay. So let us take B as 4. Let us take B as 4 and A as 6. Okay. So now 6 4 and 6. 6 4 ja 24. Okay. So when we multiply, if you have taken B as 4, so when we multiply B with 6, we are getting B only, no? So 6 4 ja 24, 2 carry, 6 6 are 36 plus 2 38. Okay. Now see here, when we multiply B, that is 4 with 6, we are getting B only. But what about this 38? We should get 4 only, no? If we have assumed B as 4, then if our assumption is correct, then we have to get 4 4 only. So this, it means that this is also wrong. So let us assume B as 4. Okay, so let us assume B as 4 and A as 7. Now 7, 4, 2. So here what we assume? 6. So now 6 4 ja 24. So here 4 remains, 2 carry, 4 is written but 2 carry. Now 6 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 2 44. 42 plus 2 44. Yes, look at here. So when we take B value as 4 and A value as 7, so we are getting the right answer. That is, we have assumed here B as 4, no? So if we have taken B as 4, so we are getting here B only, that is 4 4 4. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that the value of A is what? 7 and the value of B is what? 4. Okay, so the value of A is 7 and the value of B is 4. So now let us solve 8 1. So here what is given? A1 plus 1B is what? B0. So here you need to find the value of A and B. So look at here. The one's digit is what? 0. So here 1 is there. So what has to be added in place of B so that you can get 0 here? Just think. What has to be added? So if we take B as 8, okay, so if we take B as 8, then 1 plus 8 is what? 9. So but we want 0 here. So let us take B as 9. Okay, B as 9. So here here 9. Okay, so in case of we have written 9 here. 1 plus 9 is 10. So 0, 1 carry. So 1 plus 1, 2. So here 9 is there. So what has to be written? Okay, so here 1 plus 1, 2 is there. So how much we want to make 9? 7, no? So if you have taken A as 7, okay. If you have taken A as 7, so 7 plus 1, 9. 1 plus 9, 10. So 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 7 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. Correct, no? So when we are using B value as 9 and A value as 7, so we are getting the same result. So what does it mean? The value of A is 7 and the value of B is what? 9. Okay. Now let us solve 9th one. Okay. So 2AB plus AB, 1 is what? B1, 8. So how to solve this? So here you need to find the value of A and B. Look at here. They have given the digit. That is, the digit at one's place is what? 8. So what must be the value of B so that we can, when we add B with 1, so we can get 8. Okay. So what must be the value of B? So if you have taken B as 0, then 0 plus 1 is what? 1. But we want 8. So what has to be added in place of B to 1 to get 8? Just think, what is there? 7, no? So if B is equals to 7, if you assume B is equals to 7, then 2A 7 plus A 7 1 is what? 7 1 8. Okay. So if you assume A B as 7, so let us solve. 1 plus 7 is 8. Now look at here. So here we have assumed B as 7 now, so it is correct at this point. So now come to here. A plus 7 is what? 1. So what has to be added in place of A? What has to be added in place of A to 7 so that we can get 1 at 1 as the digit, so that we can get 1 at one's place. If you are taken, okay, if you are taken A as 0, so when we have 0 plus 7, it will become 7. Then what has to be taken in place of A? that when we add it to 7, we have to get 1 here. So let us take A as 4. If A as 4, okay. If A as 4, we will resolve it. We have taken B as 7 and A as 4. So now 2, 4, 7 plus 4, 7, 1. So why we have taken 4? Why we have taken 4? Look at here. 4 plus 7 is what? 11, no? 4 plus 7 is 11. So we can get 1 now here. So that's why we have taken A as, that's what we have taken A as 4. Okay. So here 7 plus 1 is 8. Next 4 plus 7 is 11. Now 1 and 1 carry. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. So what we have got? 7, 1, 8. Look at here. This digit is 1, okay, and this digit is 8, okay. So then what will be the value of B here? Okay, so what will be the value of A and B? So here A is what? What is A there? What is A? 4, no? So here the value of A is 4 and the value of B is what? 7. Okay, now let us solve 10th one. Okay, so here what they have given? 12A plus 6AB is use the result A0, 9. So when we add 12A plus 6AB, so we have to get A0, 9. So look at first here. So here they are given digit, no? But look at here. They are given two letters A and B. So we cannot use this. Now come to this one next. So here they have given digit and here also they have given number. So we can take this. Okay. So now what has to be added? So here 0 is 0 now. So what has to be added to A so that we can get 0 at this place? If we taken A as 7 and okay, if we have taken A as 7, then 2 plus 7 is what? 9. Let us take A as 8. Okay, so let us take A as 8. So here 2 plus 8, 10 now. So 2 plus 8 is what? 10. So we have got 0 now. So we have got 0. So let us assume A as 8 and we will resolve it. Okay, so we will rewrite it. So here 1, 2, 8. So 1, 2, 8 plus 6, 8, B, and here 9 is there. So what is here? 8. Okay, 0. We have taken the value of B as what? Sorry, here we have taken the value of A as 8. Why? Because when we add 8 to 2, so we are getting 10. That is, we can get 0 at this place. Okay, so let us write the value of A as 8 and rewrite it. Okay, so rewrite the question. So 128 plus 68B, and the result is what? 809. So here, look at here. So look at this digit. So the digit at one's place is what? 9. So here 8 is there. Then to get 9, what has to be added to 8? Okay, so here 9 is there and here 8 is there. To get 9, what instead of B? So okay, so in place of B, what has to be added to 8 so that we can get 9? If we add 8, 0 to 8, so we are getting 8 only, no? So if you add 1, okay, so if we add 1 to 8, so we can get here 9. So let us take B as 1 and rewrite the question. So here, so 128 plus 68. Okay, so here 1. So what you have taken? We have taken here the value of A as 8 and the value of B as 1. So 1 plus 8 is what? 9 and 2 plus 8 is 10. So 0, 1 carry. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 6 is 8. Okay. So look at here. So what is the value of A here? 8. So here A has 8, here A has 8, and here also A has 8. So 8, 8, 8. And here B. B is what? 1. So when we add AB, what we have to get? 9. So here when we added 8 plus 1, we have got 9. So what is the meaning of this? It means that the value of, what is the value of 8? Sorry, what is the value of A? So here the value of A is 8 and the value of B is 1. Okay, so this completes the first exercise. So in next class, in next session, we will solve the exercise 1.2. Okay.